Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. In affidavit before SC Center sharply cuts projected availability of vaccine doses by 81 crore. The central government has drastically reduced its estimation of the number of COVID-19 vaccine doses that are projected to be available in India by December 31, 2021. In an affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, the government has said 135 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines will be available by December 2021. However, in May, the government had projected India would 216 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines. The difference between the two figures is a staggering 81 crore doses. On May 13, the Union Health Ministry in a presentation stated that over 216 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines will be available between August and December 2021 to vaccinate all adults by year end. As per the May estimate, the number of doses that would be available for manufacture was Covishield 75, Covaxin 55, Biologivax 30, Gilead's Cadila DNA vaccine 5, Novavax 20, Bharat Biotech nasal vaccine 10C, Genoma Biopharma 6 crore, Sputnik vaccine 15.6 crore, total 216.6 crore. All crore doses are available. However, in an affidavit submitted before the Supreme Court on Saturday, the government has projected that between August and December 2021, only 135 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines will be available to vaccinate the eligible population in India. Delhi is this COVID curve seems to reopen with 50% capacity, weddings allowed with 50 guests. The Delhi government further eased COVID-19 curves as the city witnessed a continued decline in the COVID-19 cases and case positivity rate. With the overall situation improving in the national capital, the Delhi Disaster Management Authority on Saturday issued fresh guidelines for Phase 5 of Delhi unlock. The relaxation will come into the force from Monday. Gymnasiums and yoga institutes are now allowed to operate with 50% capacity in the national capital. Marriage halls, banquet halls, and hotels have also been allowed to hold wedding ceremonies with a maximum of 50 guests. However, the Delhi government has capped the maximum number of people allowed to attend at 20 for marriage ceremonies held at home or with the court. In order issued by DDMA, the owners of marriage halls and banquet halls and hotels, along with gym and yoga institute owners, have been tasked with ensuring the COVID-19 protocols are followed at the premises. The DDMS order further stated that the prohibited and restricted activities in the city will continue till 5 a.m. on July 5. Man jumps from moving plane at LA airport after trying to breach cockpit. A passenger had to be detained and subsequently taken to a hospital on Friday night after he jumped out of a moving plane at the Los Angeles International Airport, authorities said. United Express flight 5365 to Salt Lake City, operated by SkyWest, was pulling away from a gate shortly after 7 p.m. when the passenger attempted to exit the flight. He had initially tried to breach the cockpit but then managed to open the service door and jump down the emergency slide onto the tarmac, reported news agency Associated Press. He was taken into custody by the airport authorities immediately on the taxiway. He was treated for injuries which were not life-threatening before being shifted to a hospital. The Salt Lake City-bound twin-engine Embraer 175 returned to its gate, the airport said. The flight could not take off even after 3 hours. Nobody else aboard the plane was injured, said the Federal Aviation Administration. Reportedly, the FBI was given the responsibility to investigate the matter. It was the second such disruption to flight service at the Los Angeles International Airport in 2 days. Most of the breaches reported were related to the passenger refusing to comply with the federal face mask provided. Two explosions rock Air Force operated area of Jammu Airport, no casualties reported. Two explosions within a gap of 5 minutes rocked the high security technical area of Air Force Station, Jammu on the intervening night of June 26 to 27. No casualties have been reported yet. The explosion reportedly took place around 1:50 a.m. The first blast ripped off the roof of a building and the second one was on the ground. The area was sealed by the security forces within the minutes. Police and forensic teams are at the site to ascertain the cause of mysterious explosions. Airport authorities issued a statement saying there were reports of an explosion inside Air Force Station Jammu. There was no inquiry to any personnel or any damage to any equipment. Investigation is on.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.